Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. As you know, I love cooking, but during the summertime, I still cook, but they have to be quick recipes. I really don't feel like spending too much time in the kitchen. There's an Asian fusion dish that we enjoy a lot. It is packed with flavor. Plus, it takes less than 30 minutes from start to finish. Bonus. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Moo Shu Pork Tortilla. This is my take on a popular Chinese dish. It is very tasty and deliciously different. Using flour tortillas as food vessels, this is a lovely summer meal to serve to your family. So my friends, let's get cooking. So in a large saucepan over medium heat, we'll add oil. And when it gets hot, we'll add ground pork. To this, we'll add red onions and red peppers. We'll stir the ingredients and cook for 5 minutes or until the meat is no longer pink, breaking down into small pieces. Next, we'll add ginger and pressed garlic. We'll saute them for only 1 minute. Then we'll add soy sauce, oyster sauce, followed by oyster sauce, sambal oelek, and finally brown sugar. We'll stir the ingredients very well, taste and adjust if necessary, before adding the sesame seeds. You don't have to, but I find it's a nice option. It makes it look more Asian. So we'll remove from the heat and assemble our tortillas. First, we'll place a little purple cabbage at the bottom of each tortilla, followed by shredded carrots. Then we'll spoon in a fair amount of the pork mixture before topping with more carrots and more purple cabbage. The next two ingredients we'll be adding on top are the green parts of the green onions and the cilantro. Before serving, we'll garnish each tortilla with a lime wedge. And my friends, this is how Moo Shu Pork Tortilla. You've heard the saying, you eat with your eyes first. And obviously, you can see that this dish is very colorful and inviting. Besides its great appearance, this recipe is also packed with flavor. This is an awesome, quick and easy finger food to enjoy anytime. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!